DJ Brandt here, and this is my 2017 Mongoose Boot'r. For my cockpit, I've got full race face components. For brakes, I have Saint brakes with 203 rotors. I have a GX derailleur with race face turbine cranks, the VP Harrier pedal. For suspension, I have RockShox front and rear. For wheels, I have the Atom Lab 27.5 DHRs with the 7-speed rear hub. I've been taking the Boot'r all over the world with me for the past year, and I've been riding this thing relentlessly with absolutely no failures whatsoever. And that's my 2017 Mongoose Boot'r.